Look at that, that's so cool. So this is where sort of like the sandy ocean and snow meet together. That's crazy. Look how clear the water is. This is insane. This homie is biking. Also, this bus looks like it's done. There's maybe like, I don't know, 50 snowmans around. I think just about every single person who's outside is making a snowman. Look, there's one there too. God damn. I'm curious if anybody tried to cold plunge today, except, I mean, these guys, of course. But they don't seem to be too cold. Oh, I was wondering if anybody gonna go cold plunging. Come on, champ. That's crazy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. What a brave soul. Vancouver in one video. This guy is running in shorts through the blizzard. This guy is literally swimming right now.